Hello there, this is Miss Bush from Horace Mann Elementary School, and I'm a K-5 science teacher. And today we're talking about how does the body fight germs once they get in. And there are many ways to protect ourselves from germs. So check it out. I have a face shield, and this stops germs from getting into my eyes. And I don't want those germs in my eyes, right? So that's a good level of protection. Another layer of protection is my mask. And my mask stops germs from getting into my nose or my mouth. And with these layers of protection, we keep germs out. And that's a really important thing to do. But sometimes it happens. Sometimes I touch my water bottle and I get a germ on my hand, and then I touch my pencil and then I might rub my eye. And sometimes that happens. And if a germ gets in your body, it doesn't mean you're sick, okay? Your body has a whole system called your immune system that stops you from getting sick when germs get in. So let's take a look over here and find out about a few parts of our immune system. This is your job today. Your job is to fill in this table, and that's the worksheet you will have for your work. So for this data table, it says body part, picture, and ways they keep germs out. And you are going to be filling this in. So let's talk about those eyes. If my face shield, right, so I have a face shield and I have other things, but if the germs get to my eyes, I still have a way to protect them. It's called tears. Yeah, your tears. Your tears are really special. They wash away germs and let those germs drip down and away. And they're great. And you can even use a clean Kleenex, and if your eyes are watery, get that tear out. Sometimes if you get a piece of dust in your eye or other things, it gets really watery, and that is your tears, a part of your immune system getting those germs out. And those tears are salty. Well, salt can kill some germs. So that's a really good layer of defense. But wait, your body has more. Check it out right here. I know it's a gross picture, but your saliva. Some people call it spit, the stuff in your mouth. Even if you get a germ on your hand and then you're like rubbing your mouth and you get a germ in your mouth, you don't get sick. Your saliva can kill some of those germs. So sometimes on the news, I hear them talking about viral load. It means how much of the coronavirus you get in your body. And if all you get is the tiniest one tiny dot, your immune system might be able to fight it. Every tiny germ that gets in you does not make you really sick. Though we never really know. That's the hard part. So we try to be extra careful. We'd be happier with no coronavirus in our bodies. But just in case, so saliva, the spit in your mouth, is a little bit acidic, and the acid in your saliva can kill some germs. Next up, the mucus, the boogers. What if you get a really runny nose and you're like, and you got all that stuff that comes out? That's the mucus in your nose. Well, that mucus is designed to stop germs and to be a layer so they don't get into your body. So this is really good. You could have a little germ and still be okay most of the time. We don't always know which one will get stopped by saliva and which one won't. So we try to be super careful, and we have a backup plan. So everyone, your skin or your hands, your skin is a good part of your immune system because germs can't just go straight through your skin. They have to find a cut or an opening. So when our skin is healthy, that keeps out viruses and bacteria too. So what's one more part of your immune system? Your blood. And your blood is really interesting. Your blood is not just the red stuff that you look and see here. Oh, I was trying to make it bigger for you in the picture. It wasn't working. But your blood can do so much more than just be weird red stuff when you get a cut. Your blood has different kinds of cells. And this right here, the white blood cell, that was the one I was saying is like Pac-Man. White blood cells can surround germs or pathogens, things like bacteria and virus, and when they surround them, they get rid of them and get them out of your body. And these things are called red blood cells. Those deliver all the oxygen to your body. And your blood can also get germs out of your body before it makes you sick. Now, the rest of your immune system, right, you have even one more layer to your immune system. And if the white blood cells can't get the germ out, then there's all kinds of other things that can come help. And we can talk about that more in another lesson. But for today's lesson, you should know, even if a germ gets in, you do not always get sick. You have layers to stop the germs. So I need you to fill in how these things stop germs from getting in. And then there's going to be one more video for you to watch. And after you watch the second video, fill in the jobs of the white and red blood cells. All right, thank you. Oh, yes. Behind me on the whiteboard, there is a picture of a kid and a mask, but the kid is smiling.
Giant head.
A giant head. Bye. Thanks for learning with us.